to the channel. If you can guess by today's look, today is another episode of YouTuber recreations. It's a little series that I do on my YouTube channel that I absolutely love doing. So basically today's recreation is Liana Jade. I absolutely love watching her videos on TikTok and on YouTube. I do actually follow their main YouTube channel, which is Connor and Liana. If you guys haven't seen them, make sure to go watch them because they are absolutely amazing in what they do. I just absolutely adore them so much. But today's inspiration is by Liana, if you couldn't tell. So I literally went for just like the eyeliner and like a nude lipstick, and I absolutely love it. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias if you haven't done already, and let's just get straight into this video. Hi guys, so I thought I'd do a different style of my makeup. I am going to do like a little talkative one of explaining what I do, but this is going to be Liana's. I absolutely love Connor and Liana on YouTube. I'm obsessed with their videos, so I thought I'd do a Liana makeup tutorial because I do have a YouTuber creation series on my YouTube channel, which I came up with, which I absolutely adore. So first step, I've actually got a new foundation because I have noticed that the foundation that I use is actually quite pale for my skin, I have noticed. So I thought because my younger sister says, because she did my makeup ages ago in a old video and she used this foundation, and I thought this is like the perfect match for my skin. So I am going to use that. Ignore my eye please, because it goes in. But this is the foundation I'm going to go in with. Oh my god. That's about 3 pumps. So I'm just going to go in my beauty blender. Oh, ooh. That's actually perfect match. It's not too... what's the word? Too light for my skin. Oh my god, I think I found the perfect match. Liana does have quite tan skin, so I thought this would be a nice foundation for that, for the base. So I'm literally just blending that all in. Only thing I don't have is like the proper like concealer, because I do have the 16-hour camo one, which I literally go by because it's amazing, but it is kind of too light for my skin as well, which should probably get the next shade up. Oh my god, this foundation, I literally haven't used that much and it's pretty good. Oh my god, I'm kind of obsessed with the foundation now. I love that it's very lightweight as well, and it's got that nice dewy glow to it. God, I haven't used this foundation in ages. Kind of like blend that down my neck, of course. Oh my god, that's actually kind of like a perfect match. Ignore like that skin there, that's just my body. But obviously, that is really good. Right, next step is concealer. Of course, I am going to go in my e.l.f. 16-hour camo one. Oh my god, I'm just going to put like a touch in the corner and just at the edge, because I have seen a lot of people doing that recently and it gives it more of a lift. I'm gonna put a tiny bit on the chin, not too much, and a tiny bit on the nose, just a tiny bit there. I'm not gonna go too heavy. Okay, I think that's all nicely blended. It looks better off camera than on camera, because it literally on camera it looks like I feel like a freaking ghost, but off camera it looks totally fine. Okay, next we are going to go in with my powder. This is the Peach Perfect Too Faced loose powder. I absolutely love this. It's gonna take my big fluffy brush and then try and be careful not to get too much. Okay, so for eyebrows, I actually got a new eyebrow pencil because my other one has run out. So this is the, what's the brand? Rimmel London Professional Eyebrow Pencil, and this is what it looks like. It's a dark brown, so I'm going to use that. I've got my little spoolie. I'm going to brush those up, and I usually just like to, or like the outline of my eyebrows. I kind of do like a light hand because I don't want it too heavy. And I'm just going to do the top bit. Yes, I'm going to show you how I do the eyebrows. So she literally doesn't have much to do with eyebrows, so I'm going to keep them more natural. I'm not going to go too heavy on them, so I'm just going to keep them more fluffed and more natural looking. Do anything. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm just going to go in with my Revolution Pro Duo Brow Powder, and this is in the shade dark brown, but as she does have quite a light brow, I am going to go in the lighter one, and then I'm just going to take that on the ends. I'm basically just making the ends a bit more fuller, and obviously this bit a bit more, what's the word? I actually just go in with my foundation because I feel like the concealer is very like bright. So I'm literally not going to take too much. I'm just going to might use this. I'm just going to use this little brush just to clean up around. Voila! I'm just going to do the same to that eyebrow. So I've just done my eyebrows. I did just set them in place with the Rimmel Instafix and Go 2-in-1 Primer Setting Spray. Yeah, this is the little bottle that I use. I should probably get a new one because this is almost out. Right, so next is the contour. I'm just going to look at the photo on my phone because I am filming on my phone just to see where the contour is on the face so I can get the correct places. Hi guys, I am back. I've just drawn like the outline of the nose structure, so I'm just going to tell you what I've done. So I've pretty much done like 2 lines just down the nose bridge. I've kind of like gone like around this area here just to enhance that, and I've sort of like done like 2 like sort of like little lines just down here and then just connect those together, and then I've sort of like brought it just around at the top, just around like the little call it the nose tip. So I just brought those up and then just done like a square sort of like, so yeah, pretty much done like a little sort of like a square and then just went around the nose like that. So I'm just going to blend that in just with the same brush. I have cleaned it. I'm just going to blend that in. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so with her like cheeks, she does have quite high cheekbones, which I absolutely love. I love the high cheekbone look. Now I'm gonna go in with this fluffy angled brush. I'm just gonna go into the places. in the high points. So you kind of want to like take the brush up, because that's how you get more of the angled looks. If you bring it down, you're just making like your face all come downwards, and you want it to be coming upwards. So if you do like brush strokes up, you're going to get that nice chiseled jawbone. That actually looks really good. I love that. Okay, next is the blush. Liana loves her blush, so I am going to go in with my W7 Life's a Peach cheek and face palette. I have been loving these new shades I have. I'm just going to look in the photo that I'm referenced to and see what sort of blush she has in here that's quite similar to the ones in this palette. So I'm going to have a look at that. I'll be right back. So the one that for the reference photo I'm going to go for is kind of similar to Southern Flame. So I'm not going to put too much on the brush just because it is very pigmented. So I'm going to be quite careful with that. I've got like more of like a dense angled sort of brush for the blush. That kind of rhymed. So yeah, I'm not going to put too much on. I'm just going to literally do a few little strokes, and then just going to put that on the highest points. Ooh. Sorry guys, my storage decided to get full up. Where was I? Blush. So I'm literally just taking that on the high points of my cheeks. I'm not doing too much because it is very pigmented. Next, now that I've done that, I'm going to go in some highlights. I'm just going to go in with like a natural one. Okay, so I'm just going to go in Roxy's Revolution Ride or Die palette. I'm just going to use this shade, which is Iconic. I'm just going to use that on the as a highlight. Luminous. A bit of my eyes as well, just to brighten that up. And for the last step, Liana does basically just like wear like just normal eyeliner, so but I am going to do that bit off camera because I look ridiculous putting it on, because I make very many facial expressions, so I'm just going to do that off camera. Okay, I am back. So I'm just going to tell you what the eyeliner I use. This is the Collection Fast Stroke eyeliner. I have managed somehow to make it exact. So for the mascara, I was going to use my Baby Roll mascara, but for some reason I can't find it. So I'm just going to go in with my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. This is just the little miniature one. I love the packaging. It's just so super duper, like, look at that glisten. Shine. Right, I'm going to use that. That really does make my eyelashes so long. I'm going to use a different mascara just for underneath. I'll show you, I'll do the other eye in a minute. I'll show you the different mascara I'm going to use for underneath. I'm going to use this one. It's just the Lash Sensational Maybelline New York mascara. I'm going to use that for the bottom lashes. Okay, so now that I've done my mascara, I'm just going to go in with lipstick for the final step. This is the Revolution Sofa X Revolution lipstick. This is in the shade Syrup, if you guys can sort of see that, if it focuses. Probably not, but this is the lipstick that I'm going to use. I absolutely love the shade of that. That's really pretty, I love that. And that is the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I have. Absolutely love this makeup, it's just so natural as well. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't joined the Jules fam already. Also hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload, and also give it a massive thumbs up if you like it, or thumbs down just to know what sort of videos you guys want me to do. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye my jewels!